So you might be in a situation where for some reason when you go ahead and post something inside of Instagram, it's basically the video is bad quality after posting it. So what this basically means is, let's say I make my way over to my Instagram application and I go and click on the plus button and I go and find a photo and I want to go and post it, whether it's to my story or whatever the case is. Well, the main reason why the video itself may be of bad quality when you're posting it is you want to double check how bad of quality it is when you are filming that video. So find that video, right? You can go and scroll through and find that video wherever you want to look for it. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and basically just make sure that video was of good quality when you were going through and posting it. If the video was blurry and it looked all this weird or whatever, when you went ahead and filmed it, then it's going to look blurry or bad when you go ahead and post it. So keep that in mind. Also, Instagram has a compression built in inside of it. So when you go through and you're going to go and basically film the video, it's going to go ahead and compress the video when it goes and uploads it to its story or to its post. So if it's kind of bad a little bit, or if it's like worse, it's supposed to be worse, that's kind of how they do it. But if it's like significantly worse, let's say it's like terrible, well, that might be a problem in and of itself, and that is probably something else that you may want to do. So what you want to do then is you want to go and make your way over into your app store. So go inside the app store, click on the search button right here, and you want to go and search up Instagram. So just like right here, you want to go and search up Instagram like this. You want to go and find the Instagram application, and you want to go and click on update. So all you want to do is you want to go into here, you want to go and click on update, and that's pretty much all you're going to want to do. Then at that point, you can go and try posting the video once again, and that could end up fixing the situation for you. And that might be all you're going to have to do there. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.